Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alerted whenever we get in and out of plays. Also, get your free start from down below. Feel free to hit me up for a 15-minute, 30-minute phone call, full of value, full of gems, change your whole perspective on the market. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. Share my opinion on what's about to happen with the overall market, how you can prepare for it, how you can capitalize. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what's going on. So as we know, guys, VIP has been doing well here recently. The last play that we actually sold for a real loss was Tilray, and it was very strategic. We was 8-0 prior to that. Tilray came about, loss of $150, $160, about 27%. Very strategic loss, so that was good. So everything is, I love to have everyone with structure and to make sure everyone is, seeing the process of how to lose small, how to make the wins, maximize your gains, and keep your losses very small. And over time, your portfolio is going to be up and to the right, and you're going to be, in a very, very, very great position. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, see what's going on, guys, because as we know, America is on thin ice. I talked about that in my live video earlier today. We know we in Rumble starting to open up a little bit. It's just steady, going in our favor in the right direction, but haven't did anything significant yet. The next move that it make, as long as, if it could not be manipulated to the furthest extent, like they trying to hold it back, it could go ahead and shoot straight to 1150 area. I'll go ahead and be getting out of that. As soon as it crosses over 11, I'll be selling into strength. But it definitely can go around 1150. $12 range, but I like to sell way before those price targets to make sure we're safe. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at it. We also know what else we had in the cooker. We just had alerted Riot before closing bell. I'm looking for that to do well tomorrow, looking to get rid of it quick, in and out, bought for the low, sell for the high. Hopefully it reach over 12 tomorrow. So that's that. And it's another play I think we was in. Oh, that was it. Oh, Alibaba. I called that out yesterday in 1999 and above tiers, and we made money on that. Got in, got out. So stocks closed higher Wednesday. Dow surges 400 points as traders grow optimistic on debt ceiling deal. Like I told you guys, a debt ceiling is basically, the max amount of money that government can borrow. Like I told you guys, the American government has already been audited 5 times in a row, back to back to back to back. They numbers wasn't adding up. A lot of stuff missing, a lot of money missing, a lot of stuff is not adding up. How would you feel if someone just came and took $12,000 from you and ain't telling you why, where they money went, where they money at, what's going wrong? Basically, if you do the math of how much the IRS is looking at America for what they owe, is basically about $12,000 per person to 350 million Americans. If you do the math of that times 12,000, you'll get about how much the American government is being looked at as they owe and being audited. So as we know, guys, that's going to be a sticky situation. Stocks rose Wednesday, and they also been trying to increase their debt limit, but they already did that before, and it's just getting, it's getting a sticky situation for them. Stocks rose Wednesday as investors hope congressional leaders and President Joe Biden could come to a deal on the U.S. debt ceiling and avoid a catastrophic default. Catastrophic, right? That's exactly what the market is going to do. It collapse. That's why they're letting it run up now. The market, crypto, all that's going to take off. The next thing you know, a lot of banks, a lot of bad news start coming up about the money's losing its value, hyperinflation. All this stuff is going to start happening again. It's going to look sweet. They can't just let it hit you all at one time. Just like, I ain't even going to go too much down the rabbit hole, but you get what I'm saying. If you don't get it, you eventually will. That's how they do it. It's like a hot and cold switch. They don't just let things be bad, 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 bad. They let it be bad, good, bad, good, bad, good. Then it be good, 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 and then bad, 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 bad. Like, you get it. I'm trying to explain it simple as possible so you guys can interpret and actually understand how this stuff is working. So anyways, if we go ahead and take a further look, guys, at the overall market, I do believe things is about to pop off. Things is about to pop off, guys, and heat up. We got Rumble sitting at 10.05 in the after hours, up over 5%, guys. Like I said, I'm looking for that to go over 11. If it starts to show any signs of weakness, like it wants to go back down, I'm gonna just go ahead and get out and sell early for a small loss. That'd be okay as well. Some people that got in Rumbles are already up. They already made their money, up in profits. So great job to you guys. Carvana 1174, Riot 1146, holding up right near that high. Bitcoin holding up 27.4. It dipped, but it's coming back to test that 27.5 area. We need Bitcoin to go ahead and shoot up to around 28,000. Coinbase doing well in the after hours. It's up over 0.2% added in the after hours. That's a good sign. Tesla at 173. Apple up. You know, we got like to see what the big dogs doing. The SPY S&P 500, it's at 415. It's holding its gains. It's up. That's a great sign as well. So you already know, guys, what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the BH Show. Get in VIP. Hit me up for a phone call. I love you. We out, and God bless you.